Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and the children of the world. Right, so, and all ages, and animals, if animals like to watch my videos. Well, the day. Anyway, look at it! It's chicken tikka, but with a barbecue base. So this has got to be weird. But here goes. Pinkies out and bottoms up. Oh, it's not even really cut properly. How am I going to do this? I'll just freestyle it.
It's cut.
No, really?
Just pull it.
Ooh. Ooh, with a barbecue twist. Oh. Right. Oh God. I know I need to put it down somewhere so I can use two hands to eat it. Right. Yay! Hello there! Hello! Right. Right. 4 pieces of chicken, but they look cool. Red. Meh. Definitely so far the best bit is the barbecue base. Not bad though. It's good. I'll finish it all though. Ah, well, I'm going to try and rip it. Oh, look at this cheese pull. Oh, disappointing. It's cheesy though. I really mean, like, it's just. No, wow. Oh, cool, pulls apart easily. Oh, the pussat is doing the bar. Oh, my video. Say hi to the pussat. Hello, pussat. Look, now I've ripped it apart, you can see its molecular structure within the makeup of it. But, meh. Nice. Could do with a bit more with a tikka spice, but hey ho. Oh well, right. What else should I add to the video?
Goodbye.
No. Right. In the background, the guy over there, who'll not be named for legal reasons, he's having a bigger pizza than mine, and another person over there who won't be named again for legal reasons, but has been in one of the videos, so check out one of them. Having a hoagie, which is just a fancy word for a wrap. Right, aye. But I didn't mean rap as in rap god, but I should. Anyway, not bad. I could do with a bit of salt. I'm not going to put salt on it though. Probably salt enough with the cheese and all that, and all the malarkey. Right, so, that's it. I've not really got anything to say about it. It's barbecue and chicken tikka. Make it of it of what one's will. Right, anyway. I'm away then to scran it, as the youngsters say these days. Right, anyway, shout out Wunsch Marja and Wunsch Faja. Peace, safe, love.